Welcome my friends, today we are looking at this Proscenic T22 Air Fryer. So if you've been around my channel before, you must have seen my air fryer videos. My family and I really like air fryers. We use ours every day. Air fryers are not only easy to use, they are also good for your health as you use little to no oil and the food tastes delicious. So when Proscenic reached out asking if I wanted to check out the new T22 air fryer, which has turbo air technology, I was like, heck yeah. You normally find turbo air technology in higher end air fryers. With turbo air technology, you get 7 times air circulation. It increases cooking efficiency by 30% and locks the moisture inside the food, making the food more tasty with up to 90% less fat. Proscenic also informed me the T22 air fryer will be included in the upcoming Amazon Prime Day sales, so there is a saving of 38%. If you want to pick this up and save 38%, click the first link in the description box below. Before we start, if you find this video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and please do subscribe to watch more reviews. We get some paperwork. This was on top of the air fryer. A quick guide to download the app. An instruction booklet that's in different languages, that's why it's thick. It's giving us some specs there. This is a 1500 watt air fryer. It has a 5-litre basket. We get a recipe booklet, some delicious recipes in here. There are 100 recipes in here, and if you go online in the app, there are 100 plus recipes in there, and you can also create and add your own recipes as well. Just having a quick flick through. This tray fits inside the basket. I don't know what its proper name is, tray or rack, but I'm sticking with tray. This tray is also non-stick as is the basket, and they both are dishwasher safe. At the back of the air fryer we have the air outlet. Proscenic recommend give it 10 centimeters space. That's the 5-litre basket. The 5-litre basket is coated in non-stick Teflon and is dishwasher safe. That's what it looks like from the bottom. One good thing I like about this basket, no child can open it, or even you can't open it accidentally until you don't push this button at the top. To release the basket, we have to push this button and then pull. If I can show you the inside, that element there. At the top we have an LCD touchscreen. We need to remove this protective film first. So my friends, the Proscenic T22 air fryer has 11 presets built in, plus preheat and keep warm. Furthermore, it will also remind you when the food needs shaking. It's compatible with the Proscenic app and Alexa and Google. That's the on-off button. That's the start and pause button. Keep warm, preheat, presets for the food. If I press cake, the temperature and time. We could do fries. At the top, that's the time. We can increase the time, decrease the time, temperature, increase or decrease. Okay, let's link the air fryer to the app. I already have the app because I reviewed one of the other products, the F20 wash vac, which was a really good hard flow washer. If you want to watch that review, I will link it in the description box below, and I'll also place it in the iCard. So let's go to add device. So kitchen appliances, T22. Confirm. It's on. Okay, so press and hold the power key for 5 seconds and then it will start flashing. So it's flashing now. So confirm that it's flashing, yeah. It already has my Wi-Fi password because, as I mentioned, I have already reviewed one of the other product. So just press next. Okay. Just wait for it to bring it up. There it is, SL Proscenic. There it is, connected. Press next. Recommended French fries, hot wings, loads here. But if I click on the little blue icon, so it's showing us the presets. So we've got fries, wings, steak, so on. Preheat, keep warm, we could turn them on as well. The temperature, we could control that from here. Once I press start, it will get adjusted on the actual air fryer as well. Push the gear cog. Some more information here. Let's check the firmware. That's up to date. Go back. So that if I wanted to create a recipe, I could create one here. There's nothing at the moment because I haven't cooked anything. Okay, we are about to do some cooking now, but one quick thing to point out, as is instructed in the booklet, before using the air fryer for the first time, it says we need to select one of the functions here, which is this one, and then we need to adjust the temperature to the highest level and the time more than 15 minutes. Problem I have here, it says turn off the frying basket. Now, I don't know what that is because it doesn't show me on top of here, neither in the app as well. So what I did, I just took this thing out. I just removed that. Then I ran it on the highest temperature and on the maximum time. Then I washed the basket and I washed this as well. If I am wrong and if any of you guys do own this air fryer or a different model to this, because there were one before this, it was the T21. And if you do know how to turn the frying basket off, please do let me know in the comment section below. And another quick thing to point out, as you can see, the basket is out and that information has disappeared. So if I push the basket back in, that information is back on now. Just to show again. Okay, now we are fully ready to start cooking. On to my favorite part. Let's get on with some cooking. So the first thing we will be making is roasted corn. And here it says, preheat the air fryer, adjust to 400 Fahrenheit. Now here in the UK, we don't work by Fahrenheit, we work by Celsius. So we did a quick Google, it's 200 Celsius. Turn the air fryer on. I've put there 200 Celsius and I'm going to preheat it for around 3 minutes and then I just press start. And as you can see on the air fryer, the temperature and the time is exactly the same as on my app. So as you can see in the app, it's saying shake and it's come up on the top of the LCD screen as well. Show you how they look. As I mentioned before, I do have other air fryers. This one has to be the quietest. To you guys, it may sound slightly louder because my microphone is sensitive and I'm standing right close to it. Moment of truth now, but before I open that, I just want to say with cooking, it's always trial and error. So as you can see, they are cooked through. For us lot, personally, in my family, we like them slightly crispier and a bit burnt through. So we're going to put them back in. This time we're going to set the temperature around 175 and we're going to put the time around 4 minutes. Instead of using the app this time, I'm just going to use the air fryer. So we pick vegetables, temperature. If you long press the temperature or time, it moves faster rather than just tapping the button like so. 175 and the time I'm going to do 4 minutes and I'll just press start. That is perfect for us lot. So we had to increase the temperature to 200 and we added another 4 minutes on. Now we are making garlic and herb chicken. So as you can see, the chicken is ready. However, we did follow the app instructions as I showed you at the start, but the chicken wasn't cooked, so we had to add more time. Just to show you the inside of the basket, that's what it looks like. So again, I could put this in the dishwasher or wash it with some washing up liquid. My friends, that was the Proscenic T22 Air Fryer. My overall thoughts, we absolutely love this air fryer. Using turbo air technology, the food does really taste better. It's quiet compared to my other air fryers. I still can't get my head around how many different recipes are included in the booklet and online. Plus, as I mentioned, you can share your own recipes within the app, as many others have already done. Speaking about the app, it's easy to use and useful. At first, I was like, why do I need an app with an air fryer? I'm a bit old fashioned. I don't even have Alexa or Google. I just like to use things as they are. But then I noticed how beneficial it is having an app. The first benefit, I don't have to keep an eye on the air fryer. I don't have to stay in the same room and stand on top of it. I was in the other room, the app notified me when the food needed shaking, and then it also notified me when the food was ready. It's easy to use and easy to clean. Just one thing to mention, if you are going to use the recipes within the app like we did, you may have to increase the temperature and increase the time like we had to with the sweet corn and even with the chicken. But as I mentioned, cooking is trial and error. If you are in the market for an air fryer, I will definitely recommend the T22. Link in the description. Plus don't forget the 38% off in the Prime Day sales. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.